Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we are taking a look at Azure Front Door, which is a traffic manager, traffic accelerator, global load balancer, and content distribution network CDN. And yes, it does all those things. And I think that what creates a lot of confusion for people when they first look at Azure Front Door. But the idea here is Azure Front Door is a modern application delivery network platform. So the idea is that it can do all these things. So provide a secure, scalable CDN, dynamic site acceleration, global HTTPS load balancing for your global web application. That's the definition that Azure has. But yeah, there are going to be services that have overlap with Azure Front Door, like Azure CDN and things like that. But just understand that this is a very robust thing and something that you're going to want to use quite often for your application. So Azure Front Door features caching like CDNs with rules expiring policies, resilience by distributing incoming traffic across multiple or different Azure regions, cookie-based session affinity for RESTful applications when traffic needs to be redirected back to the same backend. So that's for stateful applications. Health probes, which are very common at either the DNS level or the load balancing level, but since it is both here, it has it so to determine the healthiest and closest backend to the client request. It can have a WAF attached to it, so protecting your backends from malicious attacks and vulnerabilities. I believe that is using Azure's WAF policy, so you're just basically attaching a policy to that there. URL redirect, so redirecting traffic based on a variety of things, so protocols such as HTTP or HTTPS, the host name, the path, the query string. Not just that, there's a lot of stuff in there. URL rewriting, so with the powerful engine for rewriting incoming requests to a different backend request. And so in the simplest sense, this is what Azure looks like. You have front ends or domains where you're bringing stuff into Azure Front Door, and then you have your backends so that we can filter stuff there. There's actually a lot more components going on there. We will talk about them, or we'll have a diagram here to show you, but this is the basis of Azure Front Door.